A very good morning, all of you. And my name is Bidan Kankati, and I'm the Regional Director for NASSCOM in this state. I look after the well-being of the IT and ITS industry, not only in Hyderabad but also in the tier 2 cities like Visakhapatnam, Kakinada, Vijayawada, and Tirupati. And as you're all aware, I think IT and ITS industry in this state, this place has done really very well. In fact, the turnover last year was approximately close to, the exports were close to about 40,000 crores, which is not small at all. And in fact, the total industry revenue across the country has been approximately 108 billion. And as NASSCOM, along with McKinsey, has predicted that this turnover will go up to $225 billion by 2020. So you can imagine that this industry is going to be a very, very important industry in the coming year. And also, if you know that, just let me say something about here. The IT and ITS industry, not only in Hyderabad but also in Visakhapatnam, is growing very well. And in fact, with all the kind of problems, etc., that we've never had a single day where we lost in terms of work. And in fact, I'm really proud to say that I think the government has supported us, the IT and ITS industry, and whatever it is, we have never ever been able to actually lose a single working day. And most of the offices have been working even on the days of bunds, etc. And so they're similar to even Visakhapatnam. I think you would be noticing that in spite of the bun that is going on over here, the IT and ITS industry is definitely working. Yeah, there may be a little problems of people reaching work, but at the end of the day, I think what is really important is that people are coming to work, people are working. And we definitely see that this industry is going to be a very, very important industry in the coming years. And I think, reading about it, I've also read about it in the Visakhapatnam industrial scan, which is known as the Vizag industrial scan, and which is actually a very, a newspaper which actually talks about all the good things which are happening in this industry. So I think it's a great opportunity, and I think if any of you have got any questions, etc., I'll be more than happy to answer. And any questions, etc., any thoughts that you have, you may like to give it to me through the writers of Vizag Industrial Scan. We'll be more than happy to address them. And in fact, I do come to Vizag once in 2 months, and so we can always meet and see whatever is done. And we've got a very vibrant IT community in this city. So look forward to be coming here. Look forward to working with the industry here. Thank you very much.